This is the AI News Flash for May 21, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Axios reports Google has unveiled its full strategy to win the AI war against OpenAI and Anthropic, marking a decisive moment in the AI hegemony battle. Google launched Gemini Omni, a next-generation AI model, integrating reasoning with creative generation. The rollout includes Gemini 3.5 Flash, AI mode search now default globally, integration with Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, and Anti-Gravity 2.0 AI coding platform. This represents Google's full-stack AI dominance strategy moving into execution phase. Google's vertical integration is unique. Its own TPU 7th generation Ironwood deployed 1 million units. Anthropic signed multi-billion-dollar contracts, dramatically reducing NVIDIA GPU dependence. This contrasts with Microsoft's reliance on OpenAI and Meta's on AMD. Gemini 3.1 Pro scored 77.1% on ARCAGI2, reaching 750 million monthly active users, second only to ChatGPT's 900 million weekly users.
Anthropic Q2 revenue $10.9 billion, with first operating profit projected annual run rate exceeding $30 billion. OpenAI IPO filing imminent at $1 trillion valuation. SpaceX targeting June NASDAQ listing at $1.75 trillion. AI industry triple IPO rush accelerating. Google stock up 160% over the year, securing decisive winning position through full-stack AI dominance strategy.
Next, Reuters exclusive reveals Elon Musk's XAI Grok has fallen flat in the U.S. federal government market, fundamentally undermining SpaceX's AI growth story just before its historic IPO. After winning a Department of Defense contract, XAI Grok attempted broader federal agency adoption, but utilization rates have remained dismally low. OpenAI ChatGPT Enterprise and Anthropic Claude dominate federal market share. GSA Federal Procurement Framework exclusion impact continues alongside ongoing regulatory risks from Grok's spicy mode and deepfake controversies. Musk's SpaceX targeting June NASDAQ SPCX listing at $1.75 trillion valuation, the largest IPO in history. XAI valuation component fundamental doubts surfacing. XAI's failure in government AI market reveals competitive disadvantage in federal AI contract acquisition. IPO valuation faces significant downward revision risk as AI industry government market splits into two camps. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft intensify federal AI contract competition. Defense AI market enters major growth phase. Anthropic faces supply chain risk designation legal battle. XAI's government market defeat directly impacts SpaceX IPO investor sentiment. U.S. AI industry, government market power structure becoming structurally fixed. AI geopolitics enters new phase, a decisive signal. Third, Bloomberg detailed report. AI is turning Asia tech stocks into giants while automating bankers into machines, transforming Asian financial markets fundamentally. Asia AI-related stocks reach record highs across TSMC, Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, SoftBank, Tencent, and Alibaba. TSMC market cap exceeds $1 trillion. Samsung breaks $1 trillion threshold. SK Hynix approaching $900 billion. KOSPI hits all-time highs. Taiwan weighted index up 22% year-to-date. Nikkei up 15%. MSCI Emerging Markets Index shows Taiwan at 21.06%, surpassing China at 20.93% for the first time. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, HSBC, Commerzbank, Singapore DBS, and Hong Kong HSBC all conducting major AI-driven layoffs. White-collar banker tasks rapidly being replaced by AI agents performing autonomous operations. The mechanization and automation trend reaches Asia AI. Driven bifurcation accelerates winner-loser selection in Asian equity markets. Hyperscaler 4 companies, $725 billion 2026 capex confirms boom sustainability. The U.S. monopoly AI investment theme is globalizing. Europe forms a third pole, Asia a second pole. Institutional investor allocation strategy undergoes fundamental rewrite. Global AI investment geographic diversification reaches a historic turning point. Asian AI stocks become a primary institutional allocation theme. Finally, CIO Magazine detailed report warns of the dangerous AI confidence trap facing enterprise chief information officers, a critical milestone in enterprise AI implementation maturity. Global executives face rapid AI agent autonomous adoption, but excessive optimism reliance creates serious risk. Four fundamental challenges require attention: AI hallucinations, data quality issues, regulatory compliance risks, and cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Gartner reports 95% of AI pilots never reach production. Deloitte found 47% of enterprises making major decisions based on AI hallucinations, causing $67.4 billion in annual economic losses. The CIOs urgently need four pillars: thorough human verification processes, AI governance frameworks, strengthened data governance, AI ethics committees, and risk management systems. Cisco survey shows 80% of executives view agentic AI as essential by 2027, with 87% reviewing strategy. However, most have not reached production deployment. AI implementation reveals massive expectation reality gaps. Tech industry: 2026 AI-related layoffs accumulate over 158,000, structural shrinkage of white-collar employment. AI adoption versus large-scale workforce reduction pace contrasts with limited actual AI implementation results. Meta cuts 20%. Accenture undergoes major restructuring. IBM launches major AI training programs. JP Morgan 200,000 employees use LLM daily. Enterprise AI implementation faces major challenges transitioning to full-scale phase. AI governance becomes the most critical 2026 management agenda, a decisive signal. That's all for this AI news flash.